Let's dive into Winter Wonderland for day 15 of the Junk Journal January Challenge and today's prompt of frost. We had some absolutely perfect weather the other days for today's prompt, so I decided to include a bit of Winter Wonderland footage and some of my own photography into today's journaling spread. And for the base I decided on this beautiful photography of a winter scene already to start off on the right foot. We had just the absolute stunning snow the other days that was really like sticking to the trees and everything, and it made the world look so absolutely magical and beautiful. I just absolutely love it and had to include some photography I took the other days into today's spread. But I also included some wrapping paper from Christmas. I just saved that for the prompt as I thought the little snowflakes on the wrapping paper would fit perfectly. And I love to recycle a lot of my wrapping paper, so most of it stays in the Christmas wrapping paper box to get reused next year. But there are a few like little bits and bobs that are just a bit too torn or scuffed or anything. They go into my paper scrap bin for art projects. So I did have that one in mind before even starting the challenge for today's prompt for frost, because I thought the little snowflakes are just perfect and beautiful. Now I just make a bit of a collage, and then in the end I add a little bit of a flip book with the photography. I'm not super happy with how the printed pictures turned out, because I think they are just a little bit too blue. But then in the end I didn't want to just edit them and get them reprinted and everything. I just went with what came out of the printer. So I guess it's fine. I will maybe do something with those pictures in the future. I'm trying as well to get more back into photography for 2026, which is a goal of mine for a while now. I was really into photography like 10 years ago, before I went to art school and everything, and then it kind of faded a bit or got just pushed in the background because there were different skills I had to focus on, or just the photography I'm taking nowadays is just to document my other works and kind of capture that, and it's just became only a tool in itself, and I really want to get back into just photography for the sake of photography in 2026. So that's a big goal for me, and hopefully I will be able to accomplish that in a way. We will see how this kind of creative goal is coming along. But for now, I'm really happy that I went out into this beautiful winter wonderland and took some gorgeous photos of it. thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's creative session, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. See you very soon. Until then, happy creating!